Hello, Dan Kennemer here from BlastOne. Today we're featuring the Axiom Schmidt BAABS Deadman system. We're going to unbox it, put it together, and go outside and show you how to use it properly. Now let's take a look at what we get in the kit. Each kit comes with a Axiom Schmidt duffel bag and a box with all the parts in it. In this box here, we have the short Deadman system. We've also got the long Deadman system. Today we're going to look at both. In this box here, we have the short BAABS rail assembly. We've got our thrust management brace assembly, electric trigger Deadman system, and here we have the side grip handle. It also comes with a few different size blast hose grippers. Now we're going to open the long rail kit. This here is the long rail assembly. Your locking pins will come included on the assembly itself. Here's the hose grippers. Again, the 2-position electric Deadman handle, the brace assembly, and the side handle. Let's get started building. First, we're going to put our Deadman handle onto our rail system. Quick slide. I'm going to tighten of the nut here, and that's attached. You'll notice for simple use in building, there's a notch here on this handle piece and the rail that you can line up to secure it. Next, we're going to put on our side handle. Just like the Deadman handle at the back, this can be tightened down securely. Now you'll notice that this is not straight with the Deadman system, so you simply unscrew the handle, turn it to whatever position you like it. I set this up for a right-handed person, but you can turn this around the other way and set it up for a left-handed user if that's what you prefer. Next, we're going to install the thrust management brace assembly. This can be used for left-handed users or right-handed users because it has a rail on the top and the bottom on this side. And if you need to switch sides, you simply undo this bolt, turn it around to the other side. Let's set this up for left-handed, like I've started, but this slips on the top rail. Now our BAABS system is assembled. Let's get the hose installed. This is where the grippers come in. So your BAABS system will come with 3 different size grippers, M2, M3, and M4. Let's get this installed. Your BAABS system has 2 pins here as a safety measure, and as a second safety measure, there's 2 clips here to hold it from failing. I'll remove the pins, and then I'll remove these clips. Then I'll open these clips and release these catches, which will open it all the way. We have an 1.25 inch blast hose, so I'm going to use the M3 grippers. These grippers very simply snap into place. And now we can take our blast hose, lay it through here, and close it up. Now that we have it closed, we can install our lock pins. And that is our Schmidt BAABS Deadman system. Now let's go out back and try it.